Hi, it's Anne here. In this Send Your Mails review, I'm going to show you how you can send up to 500,000 emails per day for free if you are still struggling to build an email list as an internet marketer. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I'm going to show you a detailed demo of this software and the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out Send Your Mails, just click on the link below and you'll also be able to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel. And to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. And I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's have a look at the bonus page. As you can see, these are some of the special bonuses which will be available during this special launch offer. And if you decide to purchase from my link, all of these special bonuses will be right inside your Warrior Plus account waiting for you after you purchase Send Your Mails. Let's do walkthrough together on a Send Your Mails sales page. If you are still struggling to build an email list as an internet marketer, for today you are able to send up to 500,000 emails for free. As an internet marketer, building an email list is vital. And right now, you are able to send 5 times emails within minutes to over 30,000 subscribers, and they are all interested in the Make Money Online offers. You can always pay for solo ads to build a list, but it takes a lot of time and money for it. And this is usually beyond the budget of newbie affiliate marketers because an average price is around $100 just for 100 clicks. And what if there is a way that you can mail thousands of people every single day, and best of all, it's free and also interested in the Make Money Online niche, and you are given the explicit permission to mail them as often as you want. And right now, you're about to discover a new world of the email marketing opportunity. And these are some of the screenshots of the affiliate earnings promoting Make Money Online offers through Send Your Mails. And let's do a recap on what you'll be getting if you decide to grab a copy of Send Your Mails today. You will discover the top 15 sites where you can email for free, send emails up to 30,000 people 5 times across all the 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche. You have access to the step-by-step videos, advanced tips on how to scale up your earnings, how to email offers for the best results, and how to drive traffic to your offers using completely free methods. And with Send Your Mails, there is no technical skills or prior experience required. And if you decide to grab a copy of Send Your Mails during this special launch offer, you will have access to 5 fast action bonuses for even better results. Bonus 1 you'll be getting is the Eagle emails. Bonus 2, Tiger's traffic. Bonus 3, the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. Bonus 4, how to build a squeeze page. And bonus 5, 5 killer lead magnets. And with the Send Your Mails, you have 100% risk-free 30 days money back guarantee. And right now, during this special launch offer, you will purchase this at a one-time low payment price. And next, I will show you a detailed demo of this software, and I'll come back showing you the different OTOs and upgrades to let you know what you're getting into if you decide to grab a copy of Send Your Mails. And I'll see you after this.
Hi folks, welcome to this very quick overview of Send Your Mails. I'm here inside the members area, and as you can see, everything that you need is here. We've got introductions to my YouTube and Facebook groups, welcome from Julie, my launch partner, and then we move into an overview of Send Your Mails, then a quick introduction to the training, and then we're going to get straight into setting up your 5 emails. So basically you're going to be able to send us just the subject line, the body of the email, and the URL of the 5 emails, effectively solo ads that you want to send out to all the members across my 30,000 sorry, I wish I had 30,000 sites, across my 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche, and you can send those emails out. You can either send the same email out 5 times, or you can send 5 entirely different emails. It is entirely up to you, and they will go out in the next available slot. So I just want to clarify, they're not all going to go out at once, because we are going to be limiting the number that go out each day to ensure that you get a better response from them. And then we'll get on to the main body of the training here in Send Your Mails, which is access to 15 different websites that are going to enable you to email 500,000 people each and every day. That's right, you can actually send an email to 500,000 people each and every day, and in most cases that is going to be completely free of charge if you follow the methods inside this training. So absolutely fascinating knowledge, folks, for a crazy low price, front end price of less than $10 if you pick this up during the launch, and even if you're picking up after the launch, it's still great value. So myself and Julie look forward to seeing you inside the members area of Send Your Mails.
Let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to grab a copy of Send Your Mails or to upgrade your front-end product. On the front-end side of Send Your Mails, you get access to 15 secret sites, and you can start sending emails without needing to build your own list, and up to 500,000 people a day with this method. And the first OTO is the Send Your Mails Pro version. You will get access to an additional 50 sites where you can send emails to. And the second OTO is the Elite Academy. You will get access to the high ticket course in the Elite Academy. And the third OTO is the reseller rights. You can Send Your Mails as your own and to keep 100% of the profits to yourself. And the fourth OTO is the Done For You weekly campaigns. You will get sent 3 times Done For You campaigns on every single week. And the fifth OTO is the Executive Club. You will get notified a week ahead before the launch of all the new release by Dawood himself, and you will also get 100% commissions on the front end side. And the last one, the sixth OTO, is the Elite Tigers Group Global Ambassador, whereby you have access to a huge range of benefits, including 10% profits on a future Elite Tigers Group product launch. And altogether, there are 6 OTO to the Send Your Mails. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Send Your Mails, please click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!